Learn interdepartmental and employee-related correspondence. The correspondence generally takes place among different departments with officer of their respective department. Thus, the correspondence carried out from the head office to a branch and from the branch to the head office is called interdepartmental correspondence. It is also called institutional correspondence. This type of correspondence is in the form of a notice, circular or memo. Now in this chapter, this is the important one we are going to learn how to write notice, circular, memo. Let us learn about notice, a letter that is written to communicate to let the employees of the office know and implement the changes regarding the legal or constitutional matter or the structural change in the institution issue of a business firm or organization is known as notice. Now in this notice you can see the clarification about why the person was absent from the duty. This notice is to draw the attention of the employee that he has not followed certain rules, and so he has to give information about why he has taken leave. And they have also mentioned that within this day, if it is not been informed, then they are going to take certain action against him. Therefore, notice is to draw the attention of employee when policy matters are not being followed strictly, to inform the employee the changes made according to circumstances, to inform the employee to perform duty according to a set order, to assign a particular work to a particular person and the time limits and the location to complete the work. These are the things. Now, notice is a two-way communication. Employees can give notice to the management and management to the employees. Now, I have given example of another notice where the employee is mentioning that he wants to take a voluntary retirement, and so that retirement scheme can be sanctioned for him. So he is writing a letter to the manager. He is informing about the number of years he have been working in this company, and he was satisfied during those years, and he has made up his career also, and then now he is planning to be retired. As per the condition of the company, he has informed 3 months before and he has followed those rules. So now he is requesting to provide the voluntary retirement with certain schemes like provident fund, gratuity and other benefits which were with the schemes. A circular, a letter written on a regular basis to a group of employees with a view to inform them about the code of conduct decided by the management of the business firm or organization is called a circular letter. It guides the employees regarding the scope of work. It draws the attention of the employees for implementing decisions taken by management. It clarifies what is expected from the employees. It maintains equality among the employees. Now in the circular, it's mostly addressed to the entire group. Through circular, administrative and practical viewpoints are clarified. Notice cannot be served for the matter for which circular is issued. Now in this letter, that is the circular letter, you can see this has been written by the Cooperative Bank Limited. Now you can see how it has been addressed to employees of all branches, and then the subject is mentioned circular regarding celebration of national festival. It is mentioned friends, and this is written by administrative manager, and this letter is for all the branches of the bank. So here there is a recommendation by the Ministry of Human Resource Development that from the current year every institution or every bank has to celebrate the 15th August and 26th January as a national festival, so that further all the employees must be present during this national festival. So it become a compulsory that you have to be present on these 2 days, and compulsory last you have to write copy to all branches of bank. That means this letter will be going to all the branches of your respective bank. Now you can see the circular. Here the Gujarat Higher Secondary Education Board is writing this circular, and this is to principals and teachers of all the schools. So you have to mention 2 principals and teachers of all the schools. Subject is circular regarding saving of water and electricity. So they have to mention that Gujarat government has sent a circular number so and so to all the government and non-government, semi-government schools, mentioning that they have to follow these things, that we should avoid to use the air conditioner except when it is highly needed. switch off electricity from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. Switch off lights and fans in all classrooms so as soon as the classes are over. Avoid wastage of water. Check all the taps and get it repaired so that there is no leak. Get cooperation from the students in the campaign for preventing the wastage of national assets. These all things have been mentioned by the government. Now that the same thing is been forwarded to all principals and teachers of all the schools. So now, who is writing this? This is written by Gujarat Higher Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar. And last, towards your left side, you will be writing copy sent all higher secondary schools of Gujarat state. I hope the concept of circular and notice is clear.